If you are trying to make AI-generated text sound more natural or bypass AI detection tools, two popular options often come up: QuillBot and Undetectable AI. But which one actually produces more human-like content? Let's break it down quickly. What QuillBot does. QuillBot is mainly a paraphrasing and rewriting tool. It takes existing text and rewrites it in different styles, like standard, fluency, or creative modes. Its strength is clarity and readability. It's great for rewriting essays or articles, improving grammar and flow, making text simpler or more formal. However, QuillBot is not specifically designed to bypass AI detection tools. In many cases, AI detectors can still identify the rewritten text as AI assisted because the structure often remains predictable. What Undetectable AI does. Undetectable AI is built for a different purpose. It focuses on making AI generated text appear human written enough to pass AI detectors. It does this by changing sentence patterns, adjusting tone and variability, adding more natural human like inconsistencies. The goal is not just rewriting, but masking AI patterns that detection tools look for. Direct comparison. So, how do they compare? QuillBot best for improving writing quality and clarity. Undetectable AI best for making content look human to AI detectors. When it comes to pure readability, QuillBot often produces cleaner and more polished text. But when the goal is avoiding AI detection, Undetectable AI is usually more effective. Important reality check. No tool is perfect. AI detection systems are constantly evolving, and even undetectable AI can sometimes fail depending on the detector used. Also, overprocessing text can sometimes make writing feel unnatural or inconsistent. So instead of relying fully on tools, the best results usually come from combining AI tools with human editing. Conclusion. To sum it up, choose QuillBot if you want clean, readable, and well structured text. Choose Undetectable AI if your goal is human like variation and AI detection avoidance. But the real winner is still human oversight. If you found this comparison useful and helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns. Thanks for watching and see you in a new comparison.